Welcome to Practical Jobs to be Done, where we're revolutionizing the way businesses innovate. I'm Mike Boysen, and I'm here to show you how our Jobs to be Done accelerators can transform your approach to innovation. Let me ask you this. Do you expect your innovation partner to actually innovate? The unique thing about Jobs to be Done is that it sees into the future. Unlike other innovation methodologies that rely on backward-looking data or guesswork, Jobs to be Done provides a clear path forward. Over a decade ago, I developed a business model that significantly reduced the time and cost associated with Jobs to be Done research. But the real breakthrough came with the emergence of generative AI. I wondered, could a large language model, with its vast knowledge base, produce results comparable to traditional interviews? The answer was surprising. Since Jobs to be Done research isn't about identifying pain points or current solutions, but about understanding underlying motivations, generative AI proved to be incredibly effective. Not only could it follow the strict logical structure of Jobs to be Done models, it excelled at it. This success led us to refine our approach even further. We adapted our methods to be more accessible to real people participating in structured interviews and surveys. And while we don't use synthetic respondents for prioritization today, it's on the horizon. The result? A revolutionary approach to Jobs to be Done that's faster, more cost-effective, and more powerful than ever before. We've compiled all of this knowledge, including AI prompts and ongoing experiments, into our ultimate Jobs to be Done playbook. Our focus is on small to medium-sized enterprises, startups, and forward-thinking executives within larger organizations. We understand that traditional consulting can be slow and expensive. In today's fast-paced business world, you need immediate, actionable insights to stay competitive. With Practical Jobs to be Done accelerators, you can accelerate innovation to outpace competition, make data-driven decisions to reduce uncertainty, integrate innovation into your organization's DNA, and implement solutions that create real value. If you're ready to revolutionize your approach to innovation, explore our evolving content and digital solutions. From our Jobs to be Done playground for nerds, to our qualitative research factory, and finally our ultimate Jobs to be Done playbook, we have the tools you need to succeed. Don't let your competition leave you behind. Choose Practical Jobs to be Done accelerators and start innovating smarter, faster, and more effectively today.